Okay, so we are building Super Grub2 Disk, and at the same time I'm waiting for your Linux questions. Now, hopefully this is going to be better than the last time I have tried to do this. So yeah. Let's take a look at DistroWatch while we do that, so that I'm not very bored. Yeah. Man, this should be on a cab ride, and let's forget about this. Because otherwise, we have this thing here, but you know. So we have this to watch here. Let's see what's happened this week in this to watch while we wait for questions or for this thing to be built properly. So maybe I can move this thing here to see when it ends. So this to watch weekly. Oh my god, this is doing some stuff here. It's building stuff. Yeah. So welcome to this year's 26th issue of DistroWatch Weekly. This week we turn our attention to one of the long-lived cornerstones of the Linux community, SUSE. While the SUSE distribution has taken on several different labels, produced by many different editions, and has had multiple owners over the years, the core strengths and focus of the distribution have remained much the same. This week we talk about the launch of OpenSUSE 15.6 Leap and its new system administration tool, Chassis Cockpit. Then in our new sections we report on SUSE offering to support CentOS Linux 7 for at least 1 year beyond the date when Red Hat will kill support for 18 enterprise distribution. Okay, look at that. This has finished. So we have everything finished. Let's also build this stuff here. So we have this thing here. So hit clone cd. So first of all we get to do the automatic builder here. Okay, and then once this is done again, we're going to create the actual build, the automatic build for this specific version, which is 2.06. we have here, like, we have get 2.06s3. okay, so now we're going to run all of this so that it can build the rest of it. So we were reading, you know, let me change the title of this because now I'm actually working on the release of Super Grub2 Disk. So there's no need to put anything about answering your Linux questions because in any case I have this thing about answering Linux questions thing. Okay, so let's save. Let's go back to the video where we can remove the chat because we have it on a pop-up, you know what I mean. So Yeah, so this can be built in, and we will focus on making the release so that you can see how a release is done. So here we have this S3 beta 4 official release, and this has some files that it has created somewhere here on releases. Here we have this directory, okay, and so the place where I put everything that it's final is in here. So I just copy and paste this thing here so that we have this thing around here, and now we have all of the stuff. So first of all, let's try to SourceForge let's try to not this thing here, but something else. I'm doing this right, yes. So we are connected to the FRS SourceForge thing here, and here we can update so that we have this directory here. So, and here is something like projects, FS project something. So you can read on SourceForge FRS. So how do you do this? So FRS project, and then project name. So FRS project, and the project name is Super Grub or Super Grub2. Don't remember a lot. Okay, Super Grub2. Here you can see how we have this stuff here. So what we actually want is to move this here. Are we doing this properly? Yes, I think so. So we are uploading all of this onto this directory here. So we have created all of the directories, and now we are uploading all of this, which is going to be very nice. Okay. Yeah, so while we do this, we can think about making a post on Super Grub web page, and I don't remember a lot about that. Let me just, do we want to do that? Critical error on this website. What? Why? Are you telling me that the WordPress Super Grub2 Disk is broken somehow? And I'm not sure about that. Oh my god. I hate my life. Yeah. So I cannot make an official post because Super Grub Disk WordPress is not working as expected. That's concerning. Should probably try to fix it. So this has finished. Now you have this thing here. we can try to go into Salesforce and yeah, let me try to fix this. So username is this one here with whatever we have done before. Okay, so here we have this thing. We have Super Grub2 Disk, and the default. How the hell does this work? Why is there a... Okay. Add folder, add file. Okay, so this is the latest version. I mean, I actually want people to test the beta one, but maybe it's not a good idea to lead them there. Okay, look at that, 50 downloads, 500 here. This is 500 because people go to the very last one and try to download that instead of just trying to find out which is a stable version. So yeah, so I actually need to fix my Super Grub Disk page for this to build properly. I'm not going to do that live. Damn it. Okay, anyway, I'm going to try to fix this offline, and then if I can go on with the release, I will do so. So I'm very sorry, but I'm going to end the stream here. Thank you very much. Bye.